Hello, I'm Phoenix Alexander, and I'm a certified instructor in Qigong in the Supreme Science System. And I've brought us here today to the botanical garden, the rhododendron species. It's close to me, and I absolutely love it. We're near peak bloom right now, and so a lot of people are here. You'll probably be able to hear the background noise. It's right near the freeway, but it's absolutely stunningly beautiful. And so I came here today to just partake of the absolutely fabulous chee that's all around with these beautiful flowers and the trees. And this is how I do my forest bathing in the city. Again, the freeway noise can be a little bit overwhelming, but it's absolutely one of my favorite places to be. Your senses are delighted with the smell of the flowers, and there's so much greenery, and it's set in beautiful, like old growth trees, cedar trees. So I decided that I wanted to come here today to very briefly do the Qigong form earth hands. And so the ground beneath me isn't actually level, so it's going to be interesting to do this. But we start earth hands by spiraling and rocking. You're familiar with this if you've seen me do any of the other parts of level 1 healing form. We breathe in, our hands come up to shoulder height. Exhale. Now breathe in. Arms come around in front. We hold our breath and then we spiral inward, small circles, which helps build up the chi energy. And then we exhale, our fingertips come up, they're spread. And we imagine that we are delivering a grid of chi down to our lower dantian. Drape it across, seal it in. Breathing in, we rise up. Arms come in front. Hold your breath and spiral. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. Deliver the chi. We do this usually in multiples of 5 because it just helps you to really focus on the chi rather than what you're doing next. Breathe in, rise up. Hold the breath and spiral. 1, 2, 3. Press inward on the chi. Exhale. Lower that grid of chi and drape it across. We'll do 2 more. Breathing in, rising up. It's a nice slow movement. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Breathe in. Arms come forward. Hold your breath and spiral inward. 1, 2, 3. Press inward, exhale. Let your fingertips glide through that plasma of chi. Drape it across, sealing it in. And once more, we'll breathe in, rise up. Arms come forward. Hold your breath, spiral inward. 1, 2, 3. Press inward, exhale. Lower the hands and drape the chi across the lower dantian, the energy bank account. And we would be back to the spiral and rocking to go into the next part of the form. But we're just going to arc around, stack our hands, and seal in the chi by rubbing it on our stomachs. If you're a man, you'd have your right hand on top. As a woman, you have your left hand on top. And then you can conclude over the navel center. Take 3 deep breaths in. Breathe in and out. It is heavenly sense here. Breathe in and out. And once more, breathing in and out. We get to hear the jets going into the SeaTac airport. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'm going to be taking you on a lot of adventures in nature with Qigong. Some are quieter than others. And remember, it's your life. Live it, love it. I'm Phoenix Alexander. Namaste.